Hey, what's up guys, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to get StikDebug. So first type in StikDebug on Google, click on search, then you click on this one, then you download the latest one, StikDebug IPA, and you wanna save it. Download. So now it's in my download folder. As you can see it right here, StikDebug. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna install StikDebug with SideStore. So first we will need to connect this StosVPN so that SideStore can work. Then we open SideStore, go to apps, and let's add StikDebug IPA. So now it's installing, everyone. Quick and easy. Yeah. Let's wait a minute for it to install. As you can see, StikDebug has now been installed. And now we can open StikDebug. Please note, everyone, we will need a peering file for StikDebug to work. So we will need a peering file. Yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you.